Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to today's Pinterest recreation video. Now y'all, it's been a minute. It's been years since I've done a Pinterest recreation video. What made me want to do this video is because of the economy we're living in. Everyone don't have money to just be out shopping and to just be buying stuff. And what I basically want to show you is that you really have pieces in your closet that you can actually put a fly look together with. Each look that I'm recreating today or from pieces that were in my closet. I shopped my closet to bring you this Pinterest recreation look. Before we get all the way into the video, don't forget, make sure you like the video. That means you giving it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Let me tell you, the pictures on Pinterest is just the blueprint. It's giving you a guide. Everything does not have to be exactly the same. It can be similar and you will still recreate the look. You will look good too, just like the woman in the picture. Now, let's get into it. Up first is this picture. I just loved everything about this picture. What drew me in was that green blazer. Y'all know Kelly green is my color. This is my birthday color. So, she had the Kelly green blazer. I knew I had a green blazer. She has on a t-shirt, and the t-shirt has a design, but the base color of the shirt is yellow. I did not have a yellow t-shirt that had a design, or I don't even have a solid yellow t-shirt, but I knew I had a yellow camisole, which is this. Now she has on black faux leather Bermuda shorts. I knew I had that too. And let me tell you something. Even if I didn't have black faux leather shorts, if I had a black faux leather skirt or black faux leather leggings, I could have still recreated this look. And you can too, and that's what I'm telling you. This is just the blueprint. And she has on green, I think those heels are Bottega Veneta. Honey, I don't have Bottega, I have Akira. And voila, I recreated the look. Somebody better get her, 'cause she out here looking fine. Next up, I found a super cute outfit, a wide leg pants outfit. That's exactly what I searched because I have plenty of wide leg pants. So when I came across this picture, I was like, I could recreate this look. I knew I had two different pairs of orange looking pants. So I decided to go with these. And I went with these because as you can see in the picture, her pants are like super long. They're super wide leg, which is why I chose these pants. They're high-waisted, just like her pants. Now her top is an extremely cropped top, but it looked like it could be t-shirt style, t-shirt material. Has wording across the front. I knew I did not have a shirt that looked like that, but I knew I had a crop top, a white button-down top. No words. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, but it's similar. I paired my white crop top that's buttoned down with my wide leg orange looking pants. Let me just tell you this. If you had a different color wide leg pants, let's say you had pink or you had black or some other color, you could pair your wide leg pants with a white crop top, whatever kind of crop top you have, if you own one. If you like the look, you can definitely recreate it. As I said before, it's not exactly the same, but the look was recreated. All right, next up, I'm holding the mic now because this is really, really tight and you probably wouldn't be able to hear me because of my chin. So anyway, this picture here. Now I came on with just the shell. This is a wearing versus styling picture that I found. And what caught my eye was the black catsuit, jumpsuit all in one because I knew I had that. Then when I looked at the other side, I knew I had a long white button-down shirt, camouflage jacket. I knew I had that. Again, the blueprint. I don't have black combat boots, but I have these black and white Rick Owens inspired shoes. So now let me put it together and let me show you I recreated this. Okay, before I put on the camouflage jacket, I wanted to show you this. I wanted you to see that you can actually stop here. You could choose to leave this open. I closed it because I'm about to layer it with the camouflage jacket, but I want you to see how this in itself can be a look. And voila, I just went ahead and finished the look. We have the camouflage jacket. Here is the hat. This is the camo hat that I have, and I'm not going to put it all the way on my head, but I just want to give you an idea of how it would look. Now, the picture has what looked like a Louis Vuitton. I don't have a Louis, but I do have this brown bag because as you can see, there is brown inside of my camo jacket, and I have recreated this look. If you don't have the all-in-one black jumpsuit underneath, if you have black pants and a white top with a camo jacket, you could still recreate this look. It will still be similar. All right, we have made it to the last Pinterest recreation look of the day, and it is my absolute favorite color combo, black and denim. I love black and denim. So I kept on the same black jumpsuit from the last look. In the picture, it looks as though they have a denim jacket. I don't have a long denim jacket like this. I only have denim crop jackets, which I could have actually worn as well to recreate this look. But I had this long sleeve denim shirt. I knew I had the black and white pandas. So when I saw this, I actually saw this picture by accident. But when I saw it, I said, that's definitely one I could recreate. It is a super casual look, super cute, simple cute, and that's exactly what this is. The picture has a black Marc Jacobs tote. I don't have that. I have a simple black bag. And honey, I would definitely wear this. This is super cute for a football game. If you're going to eat with your family or just hang with your girls, this is perfect. So this is the last look. I hope I've helped you today with learning how to use Pinterest as a fashion tool for you. I go to Pinterest to get a little inspiration myself. And if you just want to do something different out of the norm, girl, use Pinterest, recreate the look, shop your closet most importantly, because that's what this video was all about. With the economy we have today, like right now, we are experiencing a government shutdown. So people not even getting paid. So you can shop your closet. You don't have to spend all your coins. And if you have the time, you can actually put these looks together and put them away in the closet for when you are going somewhere. My motto is stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Okay? All right. Girl, if you are here now, that means you made it to the end. So what I need you to do in the comments, put me some black hearts to let me know that you've made it to this portion of the video. And don't forget, we need to stay in the algorithm. Make sure you like the video, leave those black hearts in the comment section, and subscribe. I need you to subscribe. We're trying to grow, baby. We have surpassed 10K now, and I wanted to keep going. So keep me in the algorithm and do share. Sharing means caring. And I will catch each one of you girls in the next video. Adios.